Hi. This video about this India's upcoming collaboration with not with these Western countries, but it's a regional continent in Asia. It is important that Asia is now growing well. So, recent G7 meeting was held in Russia. No, I'm confusing about it. Leave it. But in G7 summit, the Russian President Vladimir Putin and Modi and China's PM, China's Xi Jinping. These three peoples in these are most powerful countries, PMs in the Asia. So within Asia, the developing countries first. What is that all the Asian countries are looking forward with collaborate with USA, Western countries, but now India is emerging as a voice of global South. So India's most countries of these South Asian countries are Asian countries collaborating with India. So India in recent past upcoming days, India must do its base in Asia it's only. So why? Because India has the very developing country recent